Good day, boys and girls. Mr. Mitchell here at the Boys and Girls Club of Youngstown, coming to you with another basketball activity. Today in our video, we have Mr. Edmonds showing you a few post moves for those who live down in the post. So he's going to show you a couple of moves to help you with your basketball game.
All right, as you said, I'm Mr. Edmonds. I'm going to teach you a couple post moves today. The first one, real simple, it's a drop step. You'll position yourself right above the block. You'll pass her the ball right here. You'll pass her the ball right here. That's real simple. Another one, after they start picking that one up for so long, you go the other way. Catch it, square up.
So remember, guys, work on your game, work on your dribbling, and that's another post move. Thank Mr. Edmonds for helping us out. Remember to go to our YouTube channel and subscribe. So remember to like below and go to our Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook page. Stay blessed, stay safe, have a good day.